Take a deep breath. Let go of distractions. Let go of doubt. Let go of who you used to be. This is your moment to reset, to rebuild, to rise. You are not here by accident. You are here because a stronger version of you is waking up. Repeat after me, not with your mouth, but with your mind. I am in control of my life. I am in control of my choices. I am in control of my future. I am no longer living on autopilot. I am awake. I am aware. I am evolving. I believe in myself even when no one else does. I trust my ability to grow, learn, and adapt. I am capable of more than I once believed. I refuse to identify as average. I refuse to stay small. I refuse to live in fear. I am building a stronger identity. I am becoming confident. I am becoming disciplined. I am becoming unstoppable. I release self-doubt. I release fear. I release excuses. I replace them with courage. I replace them with action. I replace them with discipline. I am not my past. I am not my mistakes. I am not my old habits. I am the architect of my future. I choose discipline over comfort. I choose progress over excuses. I choose growth over laziness. I show up even when I don't feel like it. I work even when I'm tired. I push even when it's uncomfortable. I am consistent. I am reliable. I am unstoppable. I build habits that force me to win. I control my impulses. I control my emotions. I control my time. Every day, I get more focused. Every day, I get more disciplined. Every day, I get closer to my goals. I don't wait for motivation. I create momentum. Pain does not stop me. Discomfort does not scare me. Pressure builds my power. My mind is strong. My willpower is powerful. My spirit is unbreakable. When life challenges me, I rise. When things get hard, I push harder. When I feel like quitting, I keep going. I am built for pressure. I am built for struggle. I am built for greatness. I turn obstacles into fuel. I turn pain into progress. I turn fear into power. I stay calm under pressure. I stay focused under stress. I stay disciplined under temptation. Nothing controls me except my purpose. I am evolving every single day. I am becoming smarter, stronger, and more capable. My potential is limitless. My future is expansive. My growth is unstoppable. I outgrow my old self. I outgrow my old mindset. I outgrow my old limitations. I accept responsibility for my success. I accept responsibility for my failures. I accept responsibility for my destiny. I am becoming the person I once feared. I am becoming disciplined. I am becoming powerful. I am becoming dangerous in the best way. I rise beyond mediocrity. I rise beyond excuses. I rise beyond fear. I respect myself. I value my time. I honor my potential. I walk with confidence. I speak with authority. I move with purpose. I do not beg for approval. I do not seek validation. I do not shrink to fit in. I am proud of my growth. I am proud of my discipline. I am proud of my progress. I carry myself like a winner. I think like a winner. I act like a winner. The energy I carry commands respect. My future is bright. My future is powerful. My future is built on discipline. I am building something meaningful. I am building something powerful. I am building a legacy. I stay focused on my long-term vision. I sacrifice short-term comfort for long-term success. My work today creates freedom tomorrow. My discipline today creates power tomorrow. My effort today creates greatness tomorrow. I am committed to my mission. I am committed to my growth. I am committed to becoming unstoppable. My future self is proud of me. My future self thanks me. My future self is unstoppable. I am no longer afraid of my potential. I embrace it. I embody it. I become it. I break limits. I break excuses. I break old patterns. I am disciplined. I am relentless. I am unstoppable. I do not quit. I do not fold. I do not settle. I rise. I evolve. I dominate my goals. I am becoming the person I once feared. And that makes me powerful. And that makes me dangerous. And that makes me unstoppable.